Okay, everybody. So we're going to do a couple of these stats problems for our review. Um, Remember, this was sort of from the first exam. The questions are a little bit different. I don't think part C is on the actual final. I didn't want to do a multiple choice for that question, but anyways, let's go through this. We're going to use a calculator. It says men's heights are distributed. They give you a mean and a standard deviation. They give you the women's. It says Disneyland requires that cast members have a certain height. Let's say that it's, I don't know. Since the means are 63, 68, let's say 65 to. Actually, let's do 64 to 65. Find the percentage of men meeting the height. So let's do that. If we do this, remember it's a normal. We said it's normally distributed, so we go second distributions, normal CDF. Lower is 64, 64 inches. Upper is 65. The mean here is going to be, what's the men's? The men's height is 67.4. The standard deviation is 2.9, 67.4. And 2.9. 0.0834. Oops. And so remember, this is obviously the 0.834. This is the percentage of the men population, well, the percentage of the men's population that will fit into this category based on the data. Okay, so if we look at women, we're going to do the same thing, but instead we're going to use their standard deviation and mean 63.7 and 62, or I'm sorry, 2.7. If we do this a second time, $63.7, 2.7, paste it, 0.1407, so this one's going to be 0.1407. And so if I was going to answer the last question, what does it tell you about cast members? Well, I mean, women have obviously a higher percentage of, there's a higher percentage of women meeting that criterion. And since there's a higher percentage, they're probably more likely to fill the positions. Actually, I think a lot of women are cast members underneath costumes and things like that because they want them to be shorter for the kids' sake. But I don't know if that's for sure true. I've heard that, but who knows? Maybe it's not. All right, time for the next video. Thank you, guys.